Okay, greetings again. All right, so we are going to have a math lesson, and this is called the hierarchical material. So you have had lessons on the golden beads, the stamp game, the small bead frame, before you move into the large bead frame, which has numbers into the millions. You want to give a lesson on what we call the hierarchical material. So this is the hierarchical material here. And what it is, I'm going to show you how to present it. So we have a large green cube, which represents millions. Then we have this square three-dimensional prism, which is 100,000. And then we have 10,000. And we have 1,000. Then we have these small little pieces, 100, a 10, and a unit.
One.
Like many things in Montessori, we want the children to have the experience of full body learning. All right, so I'm going to give this lesson to Jordy. And Jordy, can you sit on the stool, please? And you can watch as I move about. All right, Jordy, I am going to give you a lesson. Just watch and listen, and you'll have time to ask questions and participate.
Okay.
Okay. Math and numbers always move left to right. So I'm going to present this in the perspective of Jordan as the student from left to right. Oh, Jordan, we've been working with math numbers. Remember the golden beads?
Yes.
Well, we had the unit and the 10 bars and the 100 squares and the 1,000 cubes. I'm going to introduce you to something new today. Here is a unit. If I put 10 units together, what do I get? 8. And do you see my 10 bar has little green lines on it, so I can fit 10 units. So I'm going to put my unit here. If I have 10 units, I have a 10. If I have 10 tens, I get 100 square. 10 bars will fit on my 100 square. Because 10 tens makes 100.
That's why there's little blue lines.
And there's little blue lines to help me see that. Okay, so this is what we call our simple family, units, tens, and hundreds, right? What if I had 10 hundreds?
It would be 1,000.
My 1,000 is a cube, and 10 of my hundreds fit into my 1,000 cube. Do you see the lines? Okay, now we have units, tens, hundreds. That's our simple family. 1,000, units of thousands. What if I had 10,000s?
You would have 1,000,000.
10,000, right? So 10 of these thousands makes 10,000. 1, 2, 3, 8, 9, 10. Now we have units, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s. And if I have 10 10,000s,
It would be 1,000,000. No.
100,000.
Oh, wow.
Just like that small 100, right? Units, tens, hundreds, but we have 1,000, 10,000, 100,000. And see the blue lines. 10 of my 10,000s will fit on there.
Wait. Oh, this.
All right. And what if I had 10 of these 100,000s?
1,000,000.
A million. Let's see what my million looks like. Well, it's a million. And 10. Okay, now let's look at what I have here. I have
Big box.
I have some labels, some card labels, and some family labels. Which one is the simple family?
That one.
Yes, a family of units, tens, and hundreds. Which one's my thousands family?
This one.
1,000, 10,000, 100,000. And then this one is units of
Million.
the millions family, the millions family. Okay. Our labels. I have a bunch of labels here, and I'm going to ask you to put it with the appropriate member of each family. So the first is a unit, a 1. Which one does this go with? Yes. The next one is 10. The next one is 100. And the next one is 1,000. And the next one is 10,000. The next one is 100,000. And the next one is 1 million. 1 million. Okay. Jordan, can you please show me the simple family?
This is the simple family.
Can you show me the thousands family?
This is the thousands family.
And can you show me units of millions? Units of millions. Okay. Can you show me 100? Can you find the card of 100? Thank you. Can you find me the card of 1 million? Thank you. Can you show me the card of 10,000? Yeah, it's 10,000. Great. Now let's pick up all these label cards, the small ones, not the family cards. I think you dropped one on the other side. All right. So now I'm going to mix them up and see if she can label them. This is part of the second period lesson. Make sure she understands. Can you tell me what that says and put it where it belongs?
It says 10,000.
1,000.
Okay, 1,000, and it goes right here.
Can you tell me what this says and show me where it goes?
It says 1, and it goes right here.
Very good. Can you tell me what this one says and where it goes?
100,000.
One, it's green. One, how many zeros does it have?
Oh.
1 million. Did you notice our units are always green, tens are blue, and hundreds are red? So this one's blue. What does that say?
10,000.
1,000. And what does this one say? 100,000. And what does this one say?
10.
And what does this one say?
100.
Okay. Now for the third period lesson, we want to make sure she can teach the information back to me. All right, Jordy, what is this?
10 million.
1 million.
100,000.
100,000.
10,000.
10,000.
1,000. 100. 10 and 1.
A unit. How many 100,000s are in a million?
1.
How many of these? 10, just like the lines. 10 100,000s in a million. How many 10,000s are in 100,000?
10.
It's always 10. How many thousands are in my 10,000?
10.
Very good. That is the lesson on the hierarchical material. Next, put it away. You invite the children to get out the pieces, go through this on their own, and teach it to other students. Thank you.